Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of physical security with a step-by-step beginner's guide to cracking the PSP certification by ASIS International. If you're starting out and wondering how to become a certified security professional, this episode is for you. Let's break it down into 5 simple steps from understanding the basics to passing the exam with confidence. Step 1. Understand what the PSP certification is. PSP stands for Physical Security Professional, a globally recognized certification by ASIS International. It validates your expertise in threat assessment, integrated physical security systems, and crime prevention through environmental design, CPTD. Why it matters? The PSP is ideal for professionals managing physical security risks and assets, especially in sectors like government, infrastructure, corporate, or law enforcement. Step 2. Know the eligibility requirements. Before you start studying, make sure you're eligible. ASIS requires 5 years of security experience, including 3 years in responsible charge of a physical security function, or a bachelor's degree and 4 years of relevant experience, including 2 years in responsible charge. Bonus tip: your experience must be verifiable, so keep your resume, references, and job descriptions ready for the application. Step 3. Master the exam domains. The PSP exam covers 3 core domains. Here's a quick breakdown. Physical security assessment, 31%. Risk analysis, threat identification, vulnerability assessment. Application, design, and integration of physical security systems, 34%. Access control, intrusion detection, barriers, video surveillance. Implementation of physical security measures, 35%. Security project management, training, emergency response. Study tip: focus on understanding the principles behind each concept, not just memorizing definitions. Step 4. Create a SMART study plan. Break your preparation into manageable chunks. Here's a sample plan. Weeks 1 to 2, read the PSP study manual from ASIS. Weeks 3 to 4, focus on domain-specific readings and flashcards. Weeks 5 to 6, practice with mock exams and review weak areas. Week 7, revise key terms, standards like UL, NFPA, CPTD, and practice case studies. Helpful resources: ASIS PSP Study Manual, PSP Online Review Course, LinkedIn Study Groups, practice tests from reliable vendors. Step 5. Apply, book, and pass the exam. Once you're confident, submit your application on the ASIS website. Pay the exam fee. ASIS members get a discount. Schedule your exam at a Prometric testing center. Exam format: 125 multiple-choice questions, 2.5 hours to complete, computer-based testing. Final advice: get a good night's sleep before the test. Stay calm, read questions carefully, and trust your preparation. And there you have it, your 5-step beginner's guide to PSP certification. Whether you're switching careers or leveling up your security knowledge, the PSP can open serious doors. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a fellow security pro. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe.